Hi, my name is Alfonso Cano. I'm representing the Northgate Produce Department, and what we're doing today is a hatch chili roasting event. The New Mexico hatch chili is a chili that is very hot, and it's been available for roasting in the retail market probably the last 15 to 20 years. Northgate just started it 3 years ago. The first year we did 3 stores. Yeah, we're outside with another really happy customer. As you can see, she's purchasing 3 bags of hatch chili. That's 90 pounds of hatch chili. So, can you give us your name and where you're from?
My name is Veronica, and I'm from Norwalk, California.
All right, great. So you're here to purchase some hatch chilies. We want to know what brought you here and where'd you hear about it?
The chilies. The chilies is what brought me here. My mother-in-law is actually from New Mexico, and she always gets hatch chilies. So when I heard that Northgate was selling them, I had to come down.
Okay, great. All right. And what are you going to do when you take them home? How are you going to prepare them, and who's going to eat all this?
Well, all my family is. They love the chili, and we'll probably give them away, and just make chile rellenos and chile verde and anything else.
And how long do you think this will last you?
Oh, I'm going to say maybe 3 months.
All right, great. So you're like, you've done this before?
Yeah, no, actually this is my first time coming here and having them bought and roasted and doing it myself. Usually my mother-in-law does it.
All right,
so.
Great. Okay, so you're going to come back next year from now on, this will be a new tradition?
Oh yes, every year.
All right, well thanks for coming, and we appreciate doing the interview for us.
Okay, well thank you.
All right.
Para crear nuestra receta usamos ingredientes como maíz, chile hash y otros ingredientes para crear una receta perfecta, para que nuestro producto que llegue a su mesa sea de primera calidad. Pruebe nuestras tortillas y verá qué deliciosas son.
Los clientes cuando vienen me preguntan que cómo preparamos la salsa, y yo les explico que es una vez por año y se prepara que es una salsa muy caliente, muy enchilosa, y ellos se van muy contentos porque saben que nomás es el único día que lo pueden comprar y tienen que esperar hasta un próximo año. Este chile viene de Nuevo México y se da una vez por año, lo vendemos una vez por año. Y la gente lo busca mucho. No dejen de venir, nos espera nuestra compañía Northgate Market.
Can you give us your name, please,
yeah,
and where you're from?
Jeff Salcido, Wilmington.
All right, he's come all the way from Wilmington to buy some hatch chilies. That's great. Good news for us. Unfortunately, we're not roasting in Wilmington, but guess what? Maybe next year we'll have to do it. Okay, well, we see here they bought 2 bags of chilies, some potato chips, and as you can see there, they look like big hatch chili fans. I mean, tell us about where you guys heard about this from, and what brings you to Northgate.
This is my favorite chili. It's addicting. I have it on everything. You know, quesadillas, hamburgers, on everything. You know, I could eat myself to death with this stuff like a goldfish.